Hello, Thrivers. Welcome back to Ankh of Motivation, your space for transformation, resilience, and inner strength. I'm Virgo, and today we are diving into a topic that resonates with so many of us, rising from rock bottom. Life can feel overwhelming when you're at your lowest, but I'm here to remind you that rock bottom isn't the end. It's a foundation for your comeback. So if you're ready to turn your pain into power, this video is for you. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to join our community of thrivers. Let's glow together. Let me take you on a journey. Imagine you are in a dark pit. It's cold, lonely, and every attempt to climb out feels like you're sliding back down. That's what rock bottom feels like. But here's the truth. Rock bottom isn't a death sentence. It's a wake-up call. Step 1. Accept your reality. The first step to rising is acknowledging where you are. No blame, no shame, just honesty. Say to yourself, this is where I am, but this is not where I will stay. Acceptance empowers change. When I hit my lowest point, I realized something important. I couldn't change my past, but I could take control of my next step. Step 2. Rebuild with gratitude. Yes, gratitude, even when it feels impossible. Start small. Your breath, the sunrise, a kind word from a stranger. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's possible. Step 3. Set small goals. It's not about giant leaps. It's about small, consistent steps. Write down 3 things you can do today to improve your situation. Maybe it's drinking more water, reaching out to a friend, or just getting out of bed. Celebrate those wins. Step 4. Seek connections. Rock bottom isolates you, but healing happens in community. Talk to someone you trust or join a support group. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Step 5. Find your purpose. Every struggle has a lesson, and every fall can lead to a greater purpose. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Or, how can my story inspire others? Here's a thought. The best chapters of your life are yet to be written. Your story doesn't end at rock bottom. It starts here. If this video resonated with you, don't just watch. Act. Take one small step today to rise from your rock bottom. And remember, you're not alone. Leave a comment sharing how you plan to start your comeback. I would love to cheer you on. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Ankh of Motivation for more empowering content. Together, we rise, thrive, and glow. Until next time, thrivers, keep shining your light. You've got this. Bye-bye.